Good afternoon, Kristen. Route 101 was closed Tuesday morning after a tanker truck fire. According to police, a tanker truck caught fire about 9 a.m. on Route 101 East in Milford near Perry Road. The truck was traveling east. Its fuel tanker was empty, officials said. The tanker truck lost his hydraulic line, officials said. The driver noticed a loss in pressure and pulled over. He tried putting the fire out but couldn't. The New Hampshire Department of Environmental Services responded to the scene after 30 gallons of diesel fuel spilled on the ground. Traffic was backed up for a mile behind the incident. Most drivers had to turn around and exit the highway, officials said. The highway was closed both ways between Route 13 and Felland Road for about 2 hours. And here's a photo of that truck. Reporting live here outside the Milford Police Department, I'm Riley King for WMUR News 9. Kristen, back over to you.